Friends, welcome to all of you in my channel, in my intermediate Vedic Mathematics course. So before I start today's session, what we did last time. Last time we had seen how to multiply with the number 9. It's a shortcut method by which you can multiply any number with the number 9 very easily. So what are we going to do today? Today we are going to do multiplication of numbers ending with 9. Ending with 9 means the numbers like 19, 29, 39, 49 up to 99. If you want to multiply with that, what is the way out? What is the shortcut by which you can do that? Okay, so let us start with it. So let us start with an example. The first example is first question, 44 into 19. 44 into 19, right? Now when you multiply any number which is ending with 9, remember anything, we can write this 44 into 19 as equal to 44 into 20. Rather than multiplying with 19, which is a bigger process, we can always multiply with 20 easily, because 44 into 20 is 880. Whatever comes minus 44. Because we have multiplied 44 20 times, actually you have to multiply 19 times. One time you have done excess. So reduce 44 from this and you get the result. So the result is 44 into 20 is 880 minus 44, and that becomes 836. Quite easy. Only thing is the concept should be very clear, and you should be able to see through it whenever such question comes. Rather than trying to multiply it, we can mentally do it. 44 into 20 is 880 minus 44 is 836. It's quite simple, quite easy, right? So let's do another sum. Let us multiply 65 with 39. So instead of multiplying by 39, we can write this as 65 into 40, one time more, and then we reduce this by 65. This comes to 2600 minus 65. That's equal to 35,52535. Right? 2535, quite easy. So instead of multiplying with 39, we have multiplied this with 40, and then you have reduced it by 65, and the answer has come easily. Let's take the third problem. 78 into 89. So here instead of 89, we can multiply this with 78 into 90 and then take out 89. Subtract 89 from this. This comes to 7020 minus 89, and that comes to 2496. Oh, I'm sorry. I've done a mistake here. We have to reduce it by 78. (7020) minus 78. 6942 is the answer. Right? 78 into 90 minus 78. So ultimately the answer is 6942. Quite simple. Only thing is the concept has to be very clear to you. Similarly, we'll do the last sum. 87 into 49. So we'll multiply 87 with 50 and then we'll reduce it by 87. So this comes to 435 minus 87, which comes to 4263. 87 into 50 minus 87. This comes to 4350 minus 87, 4263. Quite simple. I hope you have understood the process and how this becomes shorter rather than multiplying it. So whenever you find any problem like this, you should be able to find it and you should be able to recognize it and then accordingly apply this kind of process, this kind of shortcut, so that it can do it easily better. So I hope you have understood it. I'll give you some exercise which you can practice yourself. Exercise 27 into 29. 35 into 49. 76 into 79. 76 into 79. 87 into 99. I have given you 4 questions. Please do try these 4 questions. I think the concept is very clear now, and once you practice it, things will become very clear. But if in spite of that you have got any doubt or any problem, please do write in the comments box. I'll be very happy to respond to your questions. Right? So if you have liked this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Please hit the bell icon, like and share with others so that others can also take the benefit of learning Vedic Mathematics from my courses. So what are you going to do next time? Next time we are going to start with the division, right? And so next time we are going to do division by 11. We have already seen division by 8 and 9. Now we'll see the division by 11. How it is to be done. This is very important and very interesting topic. That's what we're going to do the next time. So till the time I meet you again with my next session, with my next topics, all the best. Please take care of yourself.